but I'ma live my life and chill. Now all the crowds wanna hear it. Shit, kid, how we did it. Just because I'm gonna get it, but I see it. And they were committed. And now it's back out. It's a wild one's with it. So we always gonna grind. Always got that flat line. Life just a pass. So move and drive. Praying and stuff. And I'm kicking in the follow me into a summer. Remember that I can't do what you want to. Way around and still in my mind. It's gets walking the set. It's like what you want. That's when you place it. You get broken down until I jam. Why you wanna hate me? Why you wanna hate me? Why you wanna hate me? Fuck all that was in lately. Why you wanna hate me? Why you wanna hate me? Why you wanna hate me? It's like so long that's what they like. All the combination for just how we keep it. It's got a sound with a tone on it, but everything happened for a reason. I don't even know what to say, cause I'm an idiot, loser, microphone abuser. I never lies with a second in my face, being on my mind with a second in my face. And everybody wanna run, and everybody wanna ride for a gun. Baby, life is a life, it's a wrong, but you can't take a life if you answer. And I don't know what we got, but you deny, cause you bring facts from the side. Life, no, check it too. It's life with the last of the love to do.
tak langsung dia.
Kau bakar. Kedai-kedai. Ayah tu dah kalah. Petik juga.
Премьер-вайш, мама, говорит, премьер-вайш, мама, премьер-вайш, это помощь Акира. Ну, Оля, привет! I'm begging, begging you to put your love in. Begging, begging you to put your love in. Sabi ni Jinwai, sabi ni Jinwai yang Shakira, menurut kepada Jinwai bulan Chan.